What's up and welcome back to Slide Through News. I'm your host Will Pousant and we're going to get right into it this week. First up on Who Threw It and Who Blew It, we have Sideways coming in once again. He threw it perfect right into that wall, held that wall right and rode it all the way out. Never lift when you're on the wall like that because bad things will happen, but Sideways demonstrates that this is how you get it done. Tim coming through, showing you what a proper one-handed drift looks like at Apple Valley while someone's chasing you. Scoundrels Infinite Drift Weekend 3 is coming up May 18th and 19th. This is an event that I'm going to be at, camping out at. Come say what's up. Definitely going to be a super good one to attend. A lot of good drivers. So I'll see you guys there May 18th and May 19th at the Scoundrels Infinite Drift Weekend 3 at Apple Valley Speedway. This is the standings for the East 10 Drift Series for Formula D license. As of right now, these are the standings after the first two rounds. Stay tuned for the next round. Remember the wheels that Joel Wilson had that were green and he showed you the steps to make them look good? Well, this is the finished product of all of them done and complete. Appalachia Block Party's coming up April 26th. So if you're out in that area and you want to go chill and hang out, make sure to go hit this venue up. Drift Buffet is hosting the Import Face-Off at Grantsville, Utah event. It's going to be April 6th. So make sure to go hit this event up in Utah. They have a great facility out there. And make sure to go follow Drift Buffet on Instagram and go sign up as soon as possible because once spots are filled, they will be sold out and you will not be able to drive. So make sure to go hit it up. Early bird gets the worm. Kawabata coming through in his S13, showing you how to do it. Bubbler Bandit coming through, showing you how to change your diff fluid the easy way. Let's take a look and see the video he put together to show you the steps to save you the hassle and the headache. Let's check it out.
You ever fill your diff or your trans with one of these things and realize how much it sucks, or you break it like I did? Well, let's take it, throw it aside, take the hose off of it, stick it in here, and then you got to cut the nozzle or the cap for this so that this slides in and creates kind of a tight seal. Screw that on, punch a hole in the side. Take your air nozzle, stick that in, and then you just pull the trigger. So much faster.
That's going to be it for this week's Slide Through News episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next one and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for sliding through to Slide Through News. We'll see you guys next week.